Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this cool looking, is it the bookshelf or is it just the boxes? I'm actually very curious. I wasn't sure by the listing. Either way, I need both. So if it's just the boxes, that's fine. If it's both, that's great. Okay guys, so it is just the storage boxes, which that's fine by me. So what you do is you just open it up like this. Very simple. You go ahead and you take one of these inserts. Make sure the tab is up like that. So let's see, we might actually want to put it in. No, that's the right way. So we'll put it in like this, drop it down in, and that's it. That's all you got to do. And you got a nice handle here. So these are all deep. And why I wanted them is to hold, different items and stuff. But you guys can use them for whatever you want. But as you guys can see, this will allow us to hold items that we are working on reviewing, and instead of them just flying all over the place, we can now fill up this box. And of course, it's a 6-pack, so you got plenty of boxes. And as you guys can see, we got a lot of items in here and still can fit a lot more. So overall, guys, great box. Gonna work out perfectly for us, and you guys too.